What's up, everybody? I got another monthly update for you on what I've sold on eBay. This is for the month of September 2020, and it was another pretty average month, right around the same numbers as usual if you guys have been following along. So I'm going to list out everything that I've sold right now and add everything up. First was an Acura TLX LED headlight for $450 plus $30 shipping. A GMC Sierra 2500 grill for $300 plus $40 shipping. Jeep Compass taillight, $125 plus $10 shipping. A Jeep Compass taillight for $125 plus $10 shipping. A Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight for $250 plus $20 shipping. And a Toyota Corolla headlight for $60 plus $20 shipping. All of that added up to $1,310 plus another $130 for shipping that was paid for by the buyers. I only paid $125 shipping for those items. After the shipping is subtracted, you end up with $1,315 minus the 13% of eBay fees, which is $169. You end up with $1,146 profit. That is 6 items and the average price is $188 per item. That is pretty much average, pretty much what I've been doing. I did have one return in this month, which was a Range Rover headlight, which was $750 that I sold it for. If you've seen that video, you know that it was returned because it was damaged. So that was a big amount of money that I had to return, but that was included in this month. So once again, $1,146 is what I made this month. You guys can see exactly what I sold it for. If you guys can find any of the stuff, you know, now you can see what you can sell it for. So just another quick little update. I'm glad you guys are following along. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.